What if the entire universe you know, the stars, the planets, the galaxies, is only a tiny fraction of the story? Look around you. Everything seems stable, but the reality is far stranger. The cosmos is not a silent, peaceful picture. It's a chaotic machine, hiding secrets that defy our understanding. Forces we cannot see are pushing and pulling at the very fabric of reality. We are tiny specks, living on a fragile rock, floating in a hostile void. Today, we stop looking at the beauty of the stars and start looking at the terror between them. From invisible monsters to the ultimate end of time itself. Here are 7 terrifying things hiding in the universe. Number 1, dark matter and dark energy. The first terrifying fact is simple. We are blind. We can't see 95% of the universe. Everything science has ever studied accounts for only 5% of existence. The rest is divided into 2 unknown forces, dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter acts like a cosmic glue holding galaxies together. Without it, our galaxy would fly apart. But dark energy is the scary one. It is actively ripping the universe apart. It pushes galaxies away from each other at an accelerating speed, stretching the void wider and wider. We're essentially living inside a giant, invisible machine we cannot comprehend. We are just the foam on top of a deep, dark ocean. Number 2, supermassive black holes. You know about black holes, but do you grasp the true terror of a supermassive black hole? These are not just dead stars, they are the largest destroyers in existence. At the center of our own Milky Way sits Sagittarius A star. It is 4 million times the mass of our Sun. Imagine a mouth so big it can swallow entire solar systems whole. If you fell in, the physics is terrifying. It's called spaghettification. The gravity on your feet would be billions of times stronger than on your head. You would be stretched into a long, thin stream of atoms before vanishing forever. No one would ever know you existed. Information itself is lost. Number 3, the heat death.
How will the universe end? Many think it will be an explosion, but the truth is much sadder. It's called the heat death. Trillions of years from now, stars will stop being born. The existing stars will burn out. The universe will become a cold, dark graveyard of dead stars and black holes. Eventually, even black holes will evaporate. There will be no light, no heat, and no life. Just an infinite, frozen void forever. It is the ultimate loneliness, a universe that has forgotten it ever existed. Number 4, the Great Attractor. Right now, as you sit there, you are moving. Everything in our galaxy is being pulled towards something massive. Scientists call it the Great Attractor. It is a gravitational anomaly millions of light years away. It is pulling us at 22 million kilometers per hour. The scary part? We can't see what it is. It's hidden behind the zone of avoidance, a thick wall of dust in our own galaxy. We are passengers on a runaway train, heading straight for a mysterious, invisible giant that is eating galaxies. Number 5, the Fermi Paradox. Look up at the night sky. There are 100 billion galaxies, each with billions of stars. Mathematically, the universe should be teeming with life. So where is everyone? This is the Fermi Paradox. The silence of the universe is deafening. It suggests a terrifying possibility. The Great Filter. Is there a barrier that destroys civilizations before they can explore space? Is the Great Filter behind us or ahead of us? If it's ahead, it means human extinction is inevitable. Maybe we are alone because everyone else is already dead. Number 6. Quasars. We think of stars as life-givers, but the most powerful objects in the universe are killers. Meet the quasar. Powered by supermassive black holes feeding on gas, a single quasar is brighter than thousands of galaxies combined. They fire jets of radiation across the universe, vaporizing anything in their path. If a quasar aimed its jet at Earth, we would be sterilized instantly. They are the active engines of the early universe, evidence of destruction on a scale we can't even imagine. Finally, the most mind-bending concept: vacuum decay. Think of the universe as a ball resting in a valley. We think we are stable, but physics suggest we might be in a false vacuum. At any moment, we could slip into a lower energy state, the true vacuum. If this happens, a bubble of destruction would expand at the speed of light. It wouldn't just kill you, it would rewrite the laws of physics. Atoms would fall apart, chemistry would fail, and because it moves at light speed, you would never see it coming. One moment you exist, the next, nothing. It is easy to feel small when you contemplate these terrors. The universe is indifferent to our existence, but there is a beauty in that terror. You are made of the same stardust that powers the quasars. The elements in your blood were forged in the hearts of dying stars. We are the universe experiencing itself. For a brief moment, we get to open our eyes and see the chaos. So don't fear the void, embrace it. If you want to explore more secrets of the cosmos, hit that subscribe button. The universe is big. We have a lot more to cover.